In this video, we will explore 5 AI tools that are essential for content creators. From video editing to photo manipulation and organization, these tools are revolutionizing the content creation process. Photoshop's generative fill, enhancing visuals. Photoshop's generative fill feature is a groundbreaking addition to the arsenal of content creators, leveraging the incredible capabilities of artificial intelligence to take visual enhancement to new heights. This powerful tool empowers content creators to unleash their creativity by seamlessly transforming photos in remarkable ways. Whether you're looking to change backgrounds, add objects, or even modify hairstyles and clothing, Photoshop's generative fill has got you covered. With its AI algorithms at work, generative fill excels at merging added elements with the original photo, resulting in a harmonious blend that appears astonishingly realistic. Gone are the days of spending countless hours manually manipulating images or struggling to find the perfect stock photo that fits your vision. With generative fill, content creators can now let their imagination run wild and bring their creative ideas to life effortlessly. Imagine having the ability to transport your subjects from a mundane background to an exotic location, or seamlessly integrate new objects into a scene, enhancing its narrative impact. With generative fill, this level of visual storytelling is within reach. The AI algorithms analyze the image, understanding its composition, lighting, and texture, ensuring that the added elements harmoniously blend with the original content. The result is visually stunning imagery, captivates viewers, and enhances the overall impact of your creations. Notion's AI Assist, planning and organizing. Notion, the widely used productivity tool, is taking a leap forward by integrating AI assistants into its platform, providing invaluable support to content creators in their planning and organizational endeavors. Notion's AI Assist feature acts as a virtual collaborator, offering insightful suggestions and generating fresh ideas for various aspects of content creation, such as video outlines, B-roll shots, and interview questions. One of the most impressive capabilities of Notion's AI Assist is its ability to enhance the brainstorming phase of video creation. Content creators often find themselves in need of inspiration and new perspectives to elevate their content. With AI Assist, Notion becomes a creative partner, assisting in generating ideas that might have otherwise remained unexplored. By analyzing existing content and user preferences, AI Assist can propose unique concepts, angles, and approaches to enhance the creative process. DaVinci resolves smart reframe, transforming video orientation. The rise of vertical video content on platforms like YouTube and TikTok has created a demand for tools that can easily transform horizontal videos into a vertical format. DaVinci Resolve's Smart Reframe tool rises to the occasion, providing content creators with a powerful AI-driven solution. By automatically reformatting horizontal videos into vertical orientation, Smart Reframe ensures that the essence and focus of the content remains intact, while adapting it to the suit requirements of vertical platforms seamlessly. What sets Smart Reframe apart is its ability to intelligently track movement within the footage. As videos are transformed from horizontal to vertical, Smart Reframe dynamically adjusts the framing to ensure that essential elements and subjects are properly centered and visible. This sophisticated tracking feature enables a smooth and professional transition, maintaining visual consistency throughout the converted video. Content creators no longer need to worry about their footage appearing distorted or off-center when repurposing it for vertical platforms. With DaVinci's Resolve Smart Reframe, content creators gain tremendous flexibility and efficiency in repurposing their existing horizontal videos for vertical platforms. This innovative tool eliminates the need for time-consuming manual adjustments, saving valuable editing time and allowing creators to focus on crafting engaging content. By effortlessly adapting their content to suit the vertical format, creators can reach a wider audience and optimize their presence on platforms by prioritizing vertical video content. GetMunch.com, automating short-form video creation. GetMunch.com emerges as a game-changing online platform that revolutionizes the creation of short-form videos by seamlessly repurposing fully finished YouTube content. Powered by AI, this innovative tool simplifies the process by transcribing the video, identifying the most captivating segments, and incorporating attention-grabbing subtitles, resulting in engaging and shareable clips. One of the standout features of getmunch.com is its ability to automatically transcribe the original video. By transforming spoken word into written text, content creators can unlock a whole new level of accessibility and engagement. The transcription not only facilitates the addition of subtitles, but also allows viewers to consume the video's content in environments where audio may be impractical or unavailable. The magic happens when getmunch.com's AI algorithm comes into play. These intelligent systems analyze the transcription and meticulously select the most compelling segments of the video. By identifying key moments, impactful statements, or visually captivating scenes, getmunch.com curates a collection of snippets that encapsulates the essence of the original content. This automated selection process saves content creators a significant amount of time and effort, eliminating the need for manual video editing when repurposing content. As a content creator, incorporating AI tools into your workflow can significantly enhance your productivity and improve the quality of your content. The 5 AI tools discussed in this blog: Gling, Photoshop's Generative Fill, Notion's AI Assist, DaVinci Resolve's Smart Reframe, and getmunch.com. Thank you for joining with me on this content creation journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll be diving into more exciting topics. Until then, keep creating, and I'll see you soon.